Hello, my name is Joseph Campbell. I'm the creator and founder of a website called greenparrot.com, just with one R, and yes, I know I spelled it wrong. um, it was an old time gamer tag. Um, so basically, I wanted to refresh my skills on C Sharp. I'm a little bit rusty on it. So I figured I'd create a set of tutorials, um, not only to help myself, but to help anybody that would be interested in learning C Sharp. It's a pretty easy language. It's easier than C++. And yes, I prefer C++, but I've already had it installed and I'm not rusty on C++. So let me explain my setup. I have three 22-inch widescreen monitors, as you can see, um, which works wonders. You can have your programming on one screen, your documentation on the other, and say your design documents on the other. So I mean, you can have pretty much any information you need when you're programming up on your screen, and you don't have to alt tab or any of that. Plus, it's awesome playing games too, but that goes without saying. Okay, well, let's get started. Um, I got my website on the left, greenparrot.com. You'll be able to find these tutorials on there, um, and on YouTube, most likely. On the middle screen, I opened up where you download Microsoft Visual C Sharp 2008 Express Edition. It's free. It will do anything you're most likely going to do. There's no need to buy the non-free version unless you're doing commercial stuff. Um, Obviously, don't take it from me. I'm not a lawyer, so look into the restrictions before you do start using the Express Edition. I had to throw that in there so I don't get sued. um, so it's microsoft.com/express/windows. I will have that link on this tutorial on my website too. So basically, you just scroll down until you see Visual C Sharp. Click on it. Select your language, which for me, obviously, this is English. Save the file. Open it up. When it's done, it's pretty small. It's only 3 megs. Just click run. This might take a minute or two. It's basically just setting up the installation process. Okay, so here we go. Um, I usually don't read any of that Microsoft propaganda up there. And I usually don't submit my information. You can if you want. I I don't. Here's the license. Be sure you read this, especially if you're doing anything commercial or to make money out of it, because I'm pretty sure they're going to want money too. So just make sure you read that. If you're doing any database work, which I don't plan on it, and if I was, I'd be using MySQL. You can optionally install Microsoft SQL Server 2008. Not going to do that. Okay, you can change this directory if you want. I usually just keep it standard. So, there you go. It'll download now, which depending on your internet connection, I'm on a pretty fast cable, so it doesn't take that long for me. If you're on a 56K or if you're on dial-up, more power to you. You're gonna be waiting a while. I remember those days. Okay, now it's installing. So I'm gonna do a time lapse on this because it's pretty boring just looking at a progress bar. So I'll I'll see you when this thing's done installing. Okay, back again. Here we go. It's finished installing. It's recommending to register the product within 30 days. and to go to Microsoft Update to download the latest service packs and whatever else they messed up on this you need to fix. So usually just hit exit. Usually you want to reboot your computer after doing that, but I don't know. I'm too impatient to reboot everything. You should see it on this list, but if it's not there, go to computer, go to where you installed it at. Okay, here you go. This is the shortcut, I believe. Yeah. So it's in the where you installed it at, Common 7 IDE VCS Express.exe if you can't find it on your start menu. Okay, so let me do some cleaning up here. So basically you have everything installed, and this is what it looks like when it first loads up.